Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your car supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or a factory YouTube app because compatibility dictates the method. Once done, plug the phone with a quality USB cable or pair over Bluetooth/Wi-Fi and make sure the YouTube app is updated. You will grant permissions on the phone, media, location, and screen sharing, so the head unit can access audio and video. From here, tap the car interface to accept the connection and move to the next configuration steps. Next, open Android Auto or CarPlay on your phone and select the car from the device list. If using a built-in app, choose YouTube on the head unit. You need to set audio output to the car speakers and enable video playback explicitly where allowed, because many systems block video while driving. Make sure to adjust screen orientation and brightness, and set volume limits so sound stays consistent. Once these settings are saved, test playback with a short video to verify both audio and video streams work. To finish, play several videos and check captions, resolution, and audio sync so you know the system is stable. If you see lag or stuttering, switch from wireless to a wired USB connection, lower the video quality to 720p, or restart both the phone and head unit. These steps resolve most issues. Make sure you disable video viewing for the driver while the vehicle is moving and prefer passenger control or voice commands. If problems persist, check for firmware updates and repair the device as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.